Does this look familiar to you? After having my hood crash down on my head one too many times, I finally bit the bullet and bought the replacement hood struts. I think they were like $20 each. I'll link the part number down below. This is a super simple job. All you really need is a small flathead screwdriver. On the top and the bottom of each of these hood struts is a little sliding metal retaining clip, and this actually locks the head in place. Unknown to me, these retaining clips actually slide vertically and don't need to actually be removed. You can actually see that I popped the first clip off, but on the bottom clip, I just slide it down and then pop the head off. Not a whole lot of science to reinstalling the new strut. One thing you should pay attention to is the locking clips. Make sure you extend both ends of the clips before you reattach the strut. Optionally, you can add a little bit of grease to these ball ends. That's it. Take a step back and admire your handiwork. And then ask yourself, why didn't you do this way sooner? Alright, until next time. Let me know below in the comments if there's anything you'd like to see us tackle.